transformation of a tree. Everyone was surprised this moment. This moment is definitely a lesson about standing in the wrong place. People often underestimate the weight of a tree. Okay, this guy must have just graduated from an online spoon tree cutting course, and that house was his first real test. What a bummer. The tree fell spectacularly, like the final act of a circus show without the fireworks and the planes. After this situation, the house will have a new look. The tree trunk suddenly split and fell down majestically. He was able to knock down 3 fallen trees at once. We must commend him for his intelligence and creativity and being able to shorten the time. The dramatic scene was both majestic and terrifying, leaving all witnesses stunned. The old, thick tree trunk has been cut many times by the worker. For a tree that is completely rotten inside, the worker must be skilled and careful. Perfect. He must have 10 years of experience in the profession. His movements are confident and skillful. We cut down the tree on the house. Damn, what are you doing now? I can't believe they dragged the tree straight into my house. They are renovating the house, right? Oh, everything is perfect. This must be his daily job. Oh my God, the tree cutter said, don't worry. This tree will fall into the vacant lot. 2 minutes later, the whole neighborhood ran outside, only to see the nearby house welcoming the tree like an honored guest. Tall trees fall down like a majestic display of nature. They did it. It was the power of teamwork and perfect action. The lumberjack guessed the right direction. The tree was going to fall. The tree fell and didn't hit the house. For rotten trees, when feeling unsafe, it is best to stay away from the tree before it falls. Tree huge, with the rot taking over ground as nature is reclaiming it, but the lower trunk may still have solid wood. What a way for a giant to go. They should mobilize more people or use specialized machinery, because doing it this way can easily switch from cutting down trees to cutting down houses. What an expensive lesson. Impressive performance of 2 lumberjacks, cutting one tree first, then cutting the next. Just watching that saw work gives me chills. Can you imagine actually using it to cut the top of a tree? And trust me, there are even crazier things. Landlord, be more careful next time. Young man, if this continues, you may have to change jobs to become a construction worker to complete the house renovation. The tree trunk naturally split in two, creating a terrifying sight. Watch a skilled hunter carefully cut down a massive tree, showing both skill and respect with each cut. Gosh, cutting down a tree requires not only protective gear, but also skillful technique. Otherwise, after the tree falls, you will have to wear a hard hat and sit down to fix it. Anyone who witnessed it was stunned by the power of nature. Now that's what I call next level delivery. Gotta give them credit. It sure is a way to make an appearance. But seriously, who needs wood that fast? It looks like they are assembling a luxury treehouse for someone important. With his strength and skill, they saved some money. His years of professional logging experience allowed him to take down a tree quickly and safely. Amazing, the big tree fell down like a giant collapsing, making a shocking sound. The guy traded his chainsaw in on camera for a crash course in safety. Not good had repair costs there. Wow, this is a tough question. I guess being very careful not to disturb anything nearby. What kind of plant is it? You know, that would make a huge difference in how they handle it. It's amazing to see a time lapse of the whole thing, right? Amazing, the tree not only fell, but also rolled many times, trying to perform acrobatic moves to impress the audience. Oh my God, this guy worked hard to cut down a tree, with the strong belief that they were experts. And the result was the tree fell straight on the house. The logger demonstrated impeccable felling technique. His precise cuts and calculated fall directions demonstrated a deep understanding of tree dynamics and safety protocols. This was a masterclass in risk reduction and efficiency.